Okay, Michaela and I made some oil from roses to make perfume. Then we did black resin and some smoky effect for this painting. Then we froze some roses for some product pictures. It's cool. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. So, sweetheart Michaela came over with a burrito that Strudel just wanted to eat, and a bunch of roses because she works at a Royal Roses Garden. Little angel, of course she does. So, first thing, we have this distiller. We just stuffed it full. She missed. We stuffed it full of rose petals, ones that smelled the best.
You mad scientist.
And set that aside for now. Let it boil. It's going to take like hours and hours. Meanwhile, I have this resin, and we're going to try to make it black.
They look even.
So I got two different ways. There's like mica powder, and then there's just like this opaque, just black goo. So I was doing that. Michaela organized it in this little tin. I spilt a little bit on the roses. We decided we should probably have done the first layer of the black resin first. Oh well. And so, oh yeah, this Maria's Floral Art is where I got this idea. I'm trying to recreate what she did. Looks so pretty. Looks like a painting afterwards. And I think she does it by doing a thick layer of black and then making it less and less concentrated. So the black is more see-through and smoky. So we're trying again. This time I had a frame and with the black paper on the back, and it taped around the sides so that the resin won't spill out. Did that first layer. Probably should have done it without the roses in first, but it's fine. So I did a layer, and then I did another layer. Heated it up with a blowtorch to get the bubbles out. Let it dry, did another layer. And I found that in between each time I let it dry, it was cooking those roses because they were fresh roses, fresh flowers. So by the end, it was nice and cooked, but it still made for a pretty cool image. I'm gonna let that dry. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna try one single layer of this black, see if it'll work. But it was too opaque, and then also it completely cooked the roses. I couldn't even touch it with my bare hands. But now we have some oil. It made mashed potato roses and just enough oil down there, rose oil, to get like a little bit of a cup full. So with that cup and my measuring stick, I put some oil in a little vial, added some of the oil. I put alcohol, perfume alcohol. Boom, bada bing, bada boom, we have perfume. So we're gonna try to make a couple different perfumes. This one was, I think the sweet one, had a bunch of different florals. And yeah, we'll test those out later. And lastly, I have this little thing for products of that chain. I wanted to get some pictures of it, so threw some roses in there, taped them down so they won't float up. Boiled some distilled water so that the ice will be kind of see-through. Threw it in the fridge, and whoop, there we go. Unpeeled it. The cardboard box was just to hold the shape of the thing and kind of make it freeze slowly. With the resin all dry, we can now take the tape off and cut that back paper off for the final result. But before I show you that.
Okay, huge thing today, sponsor Squarespace. If you guys haven't seen my videos, then you don't know that I love Squarespace. I love Squarespace. I love Squarespace. It's been 10 years I've been with them. My favorite thing about them is that it's a one-stop shop for all things website. You could go on, pick a theme, customize it so it fits your brand, and get something on there that looks professional in one day. There's no like external apps that you need to download. They have everything you need all in one place. So go ahead and go to Squarespace/Shmoxd to start your free trial today. No credit card needed. You can make a website today for free. When you do decide to check out, use coupon code Shmoxd to get 10% off your first purchase. What are you waiting for?
So I took the frozen piece over to my talented friend India, who took these pictures, and they turned out so rad actually. Kind of a fun little idea for some product pictures to change things up for these chains, and yeah, loved them. So with that, I took the perfume, got 4 pieces of paper, sprayed each one, gave them to Michaela to test them. She liked them. The sweet one was the best one. They're all so strong. I needed to dilute them better. But really stoked with how the resin piece turned out. even though it did cook these flowers, hi, hello, hi, India. Yeah, I love it. I think there's some things I would do differently. I'd love to do this piece over again. I think I would do better at kind of diluting that black and also dry the flowers beforehand. So, I might try it again. But for now, thanks for watching. Love you. Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.